of hospital sanitation methods. For most of her 90 years, Nightingale pushed for reform for British military healthcare system, and with that, the profession of nursing started to gain the respect it deserved. She came to prominence for her pioneering work in nursing during the Crimean War, where she hospital administration. Florence was a leader in advocating for reduction of sickness and poverty. She recognized the tireless job of women and taught them how to protect health of their families. Possibly, Florence Nightingale's greatest achievement was to improve the education of nurses and to raise the nursing to the level of professional education. Ladies and gentlemen, Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lump. We've now come to the highlights of this ceremony: the imposition of cups, pins,